Good morning guys, Dan from Trading with Dan here. So what a move we've got going on here in Bitcoin. This is what we like to see, because yeah, it was definitely looking dicey when we were around that 5,000 level. So not that we fully negate any further downside, but at least any downside will be initiated from a higher level, and then hopefully we won't be going for lower lows, and we can keep pushing up from here. So this is fantastic to see. Yeah, really good news guys, because like I said, it was looking dicey. I was worried for Bitcoin, stocks weren't doing very well, but yeah, so here we go. Yeah, so I mean, there's nothing going to really change on the DMT or the Dominator at the moment. We're gonna still be waiting for a level where it will give us a sell trade, but I mean, that could be $1,000 higher, could be $2,000 higher. We'll see how it goes. So if you did take the 15-minute DMT, you are currently sat in a 20% profit for Bitcoin, and then if you took the 25-minute Dominator, you are currently sat in a 25% return for Bitcoin. So there you go. So even if you did get chopped around a bit in this level, you weren't necessarily losing or making much, but then when you get the big moves, you get the big moves, and that's what trading is about. Trading is about trying to capture those big moves. That's it. That's the name of the game. Over to Ethereum DMT. How's that doing? It is sat at a 20% profit, and Ethereum Dominator sat at a 25% profit. So there you go guys, that shows you if you run these bots, if you have them on, take the signals. You don't even necessarily need to run the bots, you can just take the signals manually if you want, but yeah, you can have them automated so you don't miss any trades. Then those are the sort of returns you can get. And obviously, as you guys know, if you had the bots on and ran the trades for the big dump, the bots would have fully taken advantage of the big dump down. So you would have taken advantage of a massive dump down, a massive dump up, and I think you would substantially increase your Satoshi value and your fiat value by now, even at these lower levels of Bitcoin. So there you go guys, Dominator and DMT indicators. Right, so remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to speculate on where the price of Bitcoin is going to go now. I mean, the trend is just your friend. We are just momentum traders here with the bots. Yeah, whilst I didn't have the bots on, I was still trading, still looking for those shorts. But I mean, this is why you stop out. My stop out is a full $1,000 below where the Bitcoin level is now. So that I mean, that just shows to you guys that you got to have your stops. You know what I mean? You can't keep averaging offside, hoping that the market will retrace and go back your way. I mean, you just got to accept that markets can just go as long as they want, in whatever direction they want. But yeah, so now that I am not making my trading decisions anymore, now the bots are doing that for me. Yeah, so I'm not necessarily going to speculate where this is going to end or when this will turn around. I'll just wait for the momentum to be lost. The momentum indicators tell me the momentum is lost, and then put me in a sell trade. And then yeah, so there we go. Not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Yeah, so I will be back at you guys soon with some more videos.